aesthetic, period.
Woo! It's a draft. Yeah.
Hey besties, I just finished getting ready to go for the event I was invited to. So I just put on my new wig and I did my makeup nice and clean. So I'll show you my outfit when I get there because I'm rushing. My Uber is literally outside, so I have to run, but I look so cheeky and cute. So let us go.
Me on the cheek, what does it mean? Maybe step beside Seinfeld in the 90s. Now I'm looking like
Okay, besties, you know how I told you my mic didn't fit my camera, so I'm about to go and return it and pick up something else.
Like you used to be my baddie. Make me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny.
Come back here. Come back here. Okay, that's the stand, Abby. Maybe it's the fit. Okay. Everything's working. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so this is the mic too. So, and then this is my Hey besties, so I got a new light instead of the two microphones that didn't fit. So this is the light I got. This is an LED light and it has various colors. And it goes from 3,200 to 6,500K. We have a stand as well. So I just want to open this up first of all. So it just comes with a tripod stand. Oh, if you look here, the tripod stand has a screw just covering this part. That's so cool, so it doesn't get like messed up. And it's the regular one that comes with your ring light. So I have three tripod stands as it stands. It's pretty light though. My other one's still heavier than this. This is light. But I guess because the light is light too. Ooh, the light is light. So this is the light. This is the mount. These are the batteries. The battery charger. This is the AC adapter, and yeah. So let me just look forward to keep my gimbal, and I will show you guys the light.
Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Come on. Give it up. Give it up right now. Give it up right now. Give it up right now.
It is so bright, so bright. So I can't wait to film with this. My sit-down content is about to be lit. So I just finished washing my hair and I'm about to style my hair. So watch till the end to see what hairstyle.
I try to reason I'm Aquarius rising, but you've already gone and made up your mind, and your mind's not mine. Like what's mine is yours. Like when you take all the bites when we share a dessert. Yeah, if you could call me up. Like you used to be my baddie. Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Leave me horny, but who's counting? Give it up right now. Give it up right now.
And we're going to unbox it when we get home. I'm so excited. It's a big one. Okay, besties, I want to show you guys something I picked up. I think I showed you guys in one of my last vlogs, but this candle right here is from Airwick, and it's a sea salt and driftwood with essential oils. Oh my god, I love this so much. So I just want to burn this candle this morning and have my cup of tea. You know, the vibes. And it smells so good, and it's not even halfway done. So I'm just gonna put it right here next to my rose. I also want to show my besties this amazing mug I got from Game, and oh my god, I love it. If you know me, if you watch my vlogs, you know I like tea, I like coffee. This cup just makes me feel like I live in a cottage. It's so cute, look. And it has some details, and the color is just so aesthetic. So I'm about to make tea because it's very cold this morning. I don't know what's happening in Lagos. And can you guys see this? Look at this. Aesthetic, period.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcomplicated. It's hard for me to trust again after what I went through. You say you want me, but I don't wanna believe you, so I don't reply when you message me. I'm trying to end it before this begins. I already
Okay,
see you
besties, so I've unboxed it, but I'm so sad that it got broken at the edges. If you can see right here, and also right here, it's just pissing me off, but I'm not so mad because I can actually super glue it. The pieces are in here, and it's actually smaller than I thought it would be for the price. but I'll see what it can actually, you know, accommodate. But I'm happy that this one didn't get broken, and it will do. I don't have so much lipsticks or lip glosses, so this will do for now. I have a bunch of makeup. All my makeup I recently got are still in their boxes or like their packaging. So now that I've got the makeup organizer, I wanted to just organize all of that in there, because I am so very particular about my makeup or my perfumes getting scratches on them. I've had enough of that. So the reason why I kept them in their boxes is because I was waiting for the organizer so they don't get scratches. So we're gonna do that this morning before I film. Today is Sunday. I film on Sundays because everywhere is quiet. So this is the box I was telling you about, that have all brand new skincare and makeup still in their boxes. So I have Nubia and Fenty Beauty, some Guerlain that I'm still yet to start using. So we're just going to, oh, this dead ass lashes. So we're just going to organize this real quick and also put some of my old stuff. You can see where I just kept my stuff. Oh my god, I'm embarrassed. But here's my pampas. So I'm just going to organize everything and with you guys actually. So we're just going to organize everything. You guys are going to watch me and let's get it. Most of them are empty or expired, and then this is all the empty packaging, so I have to do away with that. And then these are the ones that couldn't fit, and I also have those that haven't even opened. So I'm going to be needing more. I'm going to be needing more storage as it seems. So please pardon my dirty floors. I'm organizing, so when I'm done I'll just sweep and yeah.